Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Choetech, however you want to say that. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. 50 watt 6-port USB desktop charger. This does have Quick Charge 3.0 with auto detect technology. So that allows you to charge at 3.6 volts at 5.5 amps. Or sorry, between 3.6 volts and 5.5 volts at 3 amps, between 5.6 and 9 volts at 2 amps, and between 9.1 and 12 volts at 1.5 amps. So it does support multiple different quick charge technologies for all your different devices. Like I said, 5, 9, or 12 volts, 50 watts max through the 6 ports it has in total. It has 4 smart ports and 2 quick charge 3.0 ports. The 4 ports are 5 volts at 2.4 amps max, and the 2 quick charge 3.0 are the 3 I just listed. There is a QR code right here on the side. If you guys want to pause the video right here and scan that, you can check out the product. I will also link this down in the description to the Amazon page where you guys can pick this up. So included in the box, you do get a USB-A to USB-C cable, which is very nice of them to include if you have any devices like the Galaxy S8, Galaxy S9, Note 8, stuff like that. You can use the cable to charge your phone. The charger itself also comes with a detachable stand, so that is optional. If you want to lay it down on a table, you can do that, or you can put the stand on it and you can stand it up on your desk or your nightstand. I use this one. I have one of these in my room, and I also have this one right here that sits on my desk so I can charge things. I charge things like my phone, my USB wireless headset that I use with my computer when I'm gaming or editing videos, stuff like that. I use it to charge my wireless mice when it dies. So when they die, a bunch of different uses it has. It works well for all of them. You have a little power indicator right there, so you can make sure the unit is plugged in and getting power and actually charging your devices. On the top here, you have your 2 USB quick charge ports, and then your 4 regular ports down here on the bottom, and then on the back there you just have your standard AC in where you plug it into the wall. So far the unit works great. It quick charges all my devices that support it, and charges everything else pretty fast as well. So I do highly recommend these if you have a desk or a nightstand where you need to charge multiple devices. I'd recommend you check one out. Like I said, I will go ahead and put this down in the Amazon, or in the description to Amazon, so you guys can check it out and pick one up for yourself. This has been Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.